Hey everybody, it's Jim, and we're in front of our newest listing right now. The address is 5949 Peridot Falls Avenue. So we're in zip code 89130, all right? This house is 1,841 square feet. It was built in 2018. The lot size is 4,792. It is a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath, single-story community. It is gated in here too. So we're going to just walk through and show you what we have, all right? First thing, just want to point out to you, it's desert landscape out front. The driveway is a paver driveway too. Nice upgrade there. Again, single-story community. If you look around, we have mountain views over here. This is a newer built home. It's built in 2018. Right away, you see outside, you'll notice that there are solar screens on all the windows as well too, which makes a big difference in Las Vegas here. I love these front porches, actually. I love it. Just a little cover. It's nice before you go in the house. Again, you see the solar screens right here. It does have a security door already too, which I like. We have a tile floor throughout. It's a hallway which leads you to a very open floor plan here. Let's go check out the kitchen first. So it's got granite countertops, island, you got the big sink, we have stainless steel appliances, and a nice sized pantry in the kitchen as well too. Kitchen has a nice glass tile backsplash as well. And here's a microwave hood fan, which is vented to the outside, which I always think is an important feature because I don't like it when they have those hood fans that just recirculates all that smoke and grease, right? And the floor plan is very open to the living room as well. We have a ceiling fan in here. This is kind of a dining space right here. And let's go look at the master. Here's the master bedroom right here. I didn't mention this before, this whole house has 9-foot ceilings, so definitely feels nice and spacious in here. Master bedroom also has ceiling fan, 3 windows, and around this way, the walk-in closet. That attic access is right here too. Coming in here, this is the master bathroom. It's got a dual vanity, ton of storage space here, toilets in here, and it's a shower. And again, we have laminate wood flooring in the bedroom. Laundry room, washer and dryer are included as well. We'll call this bedroom number 2. Good size, probably about a 11 by 13 room. 9-foot ceiling, ceiling fans, closet, window. This one faces the front of the street. There's just a little hallway closet right here. You'll see it on the floor plans. I'm going to post that as well too. Here's another bedroom. Same thing, ceiling fans, closet, 9-foot ceiling. Guest bathroom is right here. It also has a dual vanity. And then it's kind of separated to the toilet and the tub as well too, which I always like in bathrooms that might be shared. And here's another bedroom, bedroom 4. It also faces the front porch here. 9-foot ceiling, ceiling fans, closet, laminate flooring as well. There's no carpet in this whole house, which is a nice thing. All right, so we're in the backyard right now. So it's got a covered patio that goes the whole length of the house, which is really nice. Again, you see all the solar screens out here. Even the sliding door has them as well. It's all desert landscaped back here. There are 2 access gates to this house on either side. So you'll see down here, you have air conditioning access from the front, which is nice to have. The concrete is painted as well. Nice place to have a grill and barbecue. And then the other side has like side access as well too. Finally, we're here in the garage, okay? And first thing you'll see is floor has been epoxied, which is always a nice feature. Come back here, the walls are fully textured and painted, so it's a completed garage. Are these overhead storage racks that are really nice as well. It's a tall garage, so you can do more of this overhead storage, which is nice. You can see the water heaters back here. And let's see, around here, you'll see also that it has a very nice water softener. And here in Las Vegas, I think having a water softener is very important because we have very hard water here in Las Vegas. Causes a lot of hard water stains. Actually, it's more wear on your pipes as well too. So I highly recommend getting a water softener if you live in Las Vegas. And this is a really high-end one as well too. And it also comes with the house. So, there you go. Good for the next buyer. Finally, in this garage, it is an insulated garage door. So it won't get quite as hot or cold here with the insulated garage door. Are you getting ready to sell your house? Well, one thing that I want to point out to you, it is always important to use a professional photographer when listing your home, all right? With today's market, everybody goes online first to start looking for properties. And if your house does not stand out among your competitors, they might not even want to go see the house. So it's really important to have high quality images first to get people's attention. And you can even take it another step and going further and doing video content because people love to watch videos of the property too. It gives a more real life feel to the house and not just still photos that can be, photoshopped and things like that. And if you have a larger home or a house that needs a little more explanation on the layout, there's nothing better than a 3D Matterport photo shoot, all right? It creates a virtual walkthrough of the property. So you can just walk in from the front door, go left, go right, walk through the living room, kitchen, bathroom, master bedroom, bathrooms, everything. It gives you a virtual walkthrough of the property, and it is the best way to present your property to many buyers who may be out of state and do not have the time to actually come to your house to look at it. So these are things I recommend when you're thinking about selling your home. So if you are thinking about selling your home and would like more information, please feel free to reach out to me. The number on the screen is a great way to contact our team, and we'd be glad to come out and assess your property or discuss with you a plan to market and sell your house. Yeah, and if you want to schedule a showing for this property, my number's on the screen. Just call or text and we'll schedule time to give you a tour of this house. If you're looking to buy or sell, please be sure to reach out to me. I'd love to talk to you. We can talk about your situation, plans, how you want to sell it, how much you want to sell for it. We're here to consult you through that.